Well, this is home for the night. Set up at a Cracker Barrel parking lot just in Erie, Pennsylvania.
Good morning. We're on day 3. We spent the night last night in a Cracker Barrel parking lot. We're heading to Niagara Falls today. Going good so far. We stopped and visited with some family last night just south of Erie in Meadville. Adorable little town. They've got a great old house that they're working on remodeling. Shout out to Stephen and Erica and Arcade Rising. Go check out their YouTube channel. They do videos of the claw machine videos. So that's Glenn's nephew and his wife, my nephew-in-law. My nephew, let's just call him that. If he'll claim it, Stephen, are you going to claim that? Comment down below, dude. But anyway, we made our first stop at Walmart. Daddy woke us up with Krispy Kreme donuts. I've already eaten them. I don't know. I don't know.
Okay. There you go.
Yeah, that's it. But we have... Hold on.
Of course. Well, to keep you entertained while she's going, okay, she's back.
Like I said, my daddy loves his donuts. He woke us up with this box of Krispy Kreme donuts this morning, and he had to pull his out. So, anyway, eat you some Krispy Kremes. Got anything to say?
Hey, we hit Walmart.
Oh, I just said that. We hit Walmart. Got my cold brew coffee. Stopped and got our Starbucks.
Thank you, Stephanie, whoever Stephanie is, for giving me your
ham and Swiss croissant
instead of my impossible sandwich.
Yeah.
I don't know who Stephanie is, but your sandwich got thrown into Stacy's order. So
anyway,
it was nothing like an impossible sandwich.
But he did eat it.
Well, for me.
Had to.
Me.
So.
All right, we're good.
Okay. Wave at the camera.
Hello. We're just showing them the view that no one shows. I never knew this was here. So we're recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So what I wanted to do is just show this walkway and this observation point, because no one ever shows you this. You see the view from the boat and you see the view from right next to the falls, but you don't see this view where you see both of the falls.
Hi, everybody.
Did we make it?
We made it.
All right.
We're walking over to try to get onto the whatever the Made of the Mist, but for Canada. I don't even know what it's called.
Yeah. We'll figure it out. We're winging it.
We're winging it.
We're pulling the Nichols thing.
Here we are at the fall. Getting soaking wet and having a lot of fun.
Crazy.
Hi. Just survived. Got it very wet.
Yeah.
Had a blast. The must do.
Thank you for watching. If you like today's content, please give us a like and subscribe to be notified of future videos. Otherwise, we'll see you next time on Our Someday Drives.